Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Downing Street. But before we leave, let me show you where I am. So basically, this is 6th Avenue, Avenue of the Americas, from north to south. That's north, that's south, that's Bleecker, and Bleecker stops there, and Downing stops right here, guys. So, before we leave, let me show you where I am. Oh, by the way, this is Bleecker Street. Bleecker Street. So it's kind of like this, and then that way. Let me show you where I am right now, guys. Let me show you where again, that street is only about 2 blocks long, so, but it's still a street though. Let me start the journey now, westbound. Again, it's only 2 blocks long, Downing Street. And this is a park right next to me on the right. It's called the Downing Park. And like I said, it's not that long, it's only 2 blocks long. But it's still part of the New York landscape. My New York landscape. You got a crevette. A crevette. Sounds French, I think. I'll keep going, guys. So what you see is what you get, guys. And if I'm not mistaken, it ends down by Varick Street. So far, nothing good, guys. I'm looking at the structures, but nothing fascinating or stimulating. Yes, you know, regular buildings. I would figure that some of these hidden, because this is almost hidden, guys. This Downing Street, it's almost hidden, but you know, maybe it has some sort of history. We got this building here. Just a regular building, guys. Other than that, just regular street, regular buildings. Coming up at Downing Street, Bedford Street, heading westbound. Now, you got Daily Provisions. I think that's a restaurant. And you got Emily here. Emily. Looks like an Italian restaurant, I think. See, Emily, right here. Now, again, guys, so far nothing. See, it says Emily right there. You got ama, which means love, you know, like in Spanish, ama, see? Ama roba, yeah. Like in Spanish, say, ama a tu enemigo, love your enemy, or something like that, you know, stuff like that. Check this out. This is, this building is a little bit, I don't know. Oh, check it out, guys. See? I don't know if it's like a garage door too. Check out the ferocious face here. Check it out. Looks like a man or a man lion or a lion. Check it out. Or like one of those myth gods who's angry, like Zeus, I guess. I don't know. Oh, check this out, guys. See, this is cool, man. Again, the way they designed the buildings, fascinating, as Mr. Spock would say. Rest in peace. Now, we keep going, and so far, just regular buildings. Nothing out of the ordinary. That looks like a metal church, guys. Check it out. On the left side. And this is a park? No, it looks like a park, but no. See, this is Downing Court. I don't know what court it is. If it's a tennis court, a divorce court, or I don't know. but it's a court. And check it out, guys. Check it out. This is Iron Maiden Iron Works, guys. See? I think Iron Maiden works here, but they forgot to put the Maiden. Iron Maiden works in here, guys. See? Iron Maiden, but they forgot to put Maiden. So yeah. Again, it's kind of fascinating, but you know. Excuse me. And we have a McDonald's to the left. So coming up at Downing, Varick Street, guys. So this is where it ends. Now we head back eastbound again. Eastbound again, guys. See? And now this is Varick. Sorry, she went off. So that's Varick North, and that's Varick South, guys. And this is McDonald's. And we keep going this way. Heading back east. Now let me see if I can spot something from this side now, guys, on the other side. Sorry, the camera went off back again, guys. Again, you know. Check it out, guys. And this is the Iron Maiden Works. So this is where Iron Maiden makes their albums, or when they work, you know. Here in New York City. And we keep going. Let me see. Just like I saw from the other side, one building only. Let me see if I can spot something from this side. But so far, nothing, guys. Except for that little, you know, private park there. Well, if you notice that, guys, the circular windows up there. And that's like a second floor. Yeah, you know, again, not too many buildings around here, you know. But it's still cool, though, nonetheless. And again, this is Daily Provisions. I think it's like a restaurant. Yeah, it's a restaurant. I think it's like a diner. Yeah, it's like a diner. Daily Provisions. Coming up at Downing Street, Bedford Street. Heading eastbound. And there's another building back there. I like the half moon shape up window up there. And guess what, guys? I think I'm going blind. Oh no, I didn't go blind. But you got the Roman columns, but in square. Check it out. I think I might have seen them, but I thought they were circular, but no, the square. See, those two back there. So you got the white ones, and you got the brown ones, Roman columns. You got pigeons chilling right now.
But like, I feel like you have a head on your shoulders. Like you're not.
Okay, guys, we're coming to the end of the video for Downing and 6th Avenue of the Americas. And guys, thanks a lot like always, and I will see you all somewhere in time. Bye.